You basically start off with exploration, and then you basically go into early exploration and then more detailed exploration. And then you go into scoping level studies, pre-feasibility, feasibility studies. Now, at early exploration and early studies, there's probably no reason to do bed test work at that stage. Some people do start some just rolling bottle tests, for example, to see if it leach. It's more important that you do mineralogical analysis, select good samples to understand the resource. So the early stages is very much about the resource, geology base. And then you start off with your scoping study. You have to start doing bed test work. So at a scoping level, you are guessing what the flow sheet will look like. You might have 4 guesses, 4 different flow sheets you think. As you get more test work, you actually want to eliminate all the flow sheets, so you only have 1. So it's like you're going looking for cars. You decided there's 4 models I'm going to look at. You have a certain criteria you want to select. So off you go, and you actually go and test all of that against your criteria, and you decide, okay, that's a car I want against the criteria that you put down. And the same with many. If you start too late, you can actually, it can inhibit you from not selecting that final flow sheet. So biggest risk, which can happen, and it happens quite a few times, is when people are still doing a lot of med test work when they already decided on a final flow sheet. So my opinion is after pre-feasibility study, your med test work should be about 80% complete. During feasibility, you only want to check the variability of the of the process. You only want to check things you haven't really defined well enough, and not really select this flow sheet. Your flow sheet should be selected after the pre-feasibility study.